So I am Melanie Arrington, the Media Specialist and STEM Coordinator here at Elm Street Elementary School. And we are using our 3D printers to help print face shields that will be used in the local hospital. So we're running 4 3D printers, so we are able to get about 30 face shields a day. We're actually 3D printing the top part here, and that fits on just like a sun visor. It just slides on, and then we're cutting the plastic here to fit onto them. They just punch holes and then go right onto the frame there. We have 3D printers in all of our classrooms. They have a smaller bill plate, so we're able to print these mask extenders that go in the back to help relieve the band from rubbing the ears. So those that are having to wear the mask 24 hours, 12 hours a day, those rub your ears raw. So this helps pull those off the ears to make those masks more comfortable. They are actually going to go to Floyd Medical Center. Rome City School has a partnership with Floyd Medical Center and Chris Butler, and so we are going to send them to Floyd Medical Center. Floyd has done so much for Rome City Schools as far as providing nurses and other resources, so we wanted to be able to give back to them.